Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a beginner who wants to start investing but feels a little nervous about diving in, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss 5 safe passive income investments that can help you grow your wealth with minimal risk. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build long-term wealth, or just get started with investing, these strategies are perfect for you. The best part: these investments are designed to help you earn passive income without the fear of losing your money. So, let's dive into these beginner-friendly options that provide steady, reliable returns. Why safe passive income? Before we jump into the specific investments, let's take a quick moment to talk about why safe passive income is such an appealing choice, especially for beginners. Investing can be intimidating, especially if you've heard horror stories about big market crashes and volatile investments. But the key is finding low-risk strategies that allow you to earn money while you sleep, without the constant worry of losing it all. Safe passive income investments typically offer consistent returns with low volatility, meaning you won't have to constantly check the market or fear the next downturn. You can grow your wealth steadily, giving you both financial peace of mind and long-term success. The 5 safe passive income investments for beginners. Let's get to the good stuff. Here are 5 safe passive income investments that beginners can start with today. 1. High-yield savings accounts, the easiest passive income. Starting with the simplest option, high-yield savings accounts are a great way to earn passive income with no risk. Unlike regular savings accounts, high-yield accounts offer interest rates that are significantly higher. While the returns aren't huge, it's a low-risk way to put your money to work, and your principal is always safe and insured by the FDIC up to $250,000. Why it's safe: the money you deposit is protected, and you can access it anytime. There's virtually no risk of losing your capital. Tip: compare rates across online banks, as they often offer higher returns than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. 2. Dividend stocks, get paid to own. Dividend stocks are one of the most popular safe investments, especially for beginners. These are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis, usually quarterly. Why it's safe: when you invest in well-established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments, you reduce the risk of major losses. Even if the stock price fluctuates, the dividend payments still come in. Tip: focus on companies known as dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have been increasing their dividends for 25+ years. They tend to be stable and reliable. Bonus: you can choose to reinvest your dividends, allowing your wealth to grow faster over time through the magic of compound interest. 3. Bonds, steady, predictable returns. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to the government or companies in exchange for interest payments. While they don't offer huge returns, bonds are a low-risk way to generate passive income. Why it's safe: government bonds, especially U.S. Treasury bonds, are considered virtually risk-free because they're backed by the government. Corporate bonds from high-quality companies are also a safe option. Tip: Consider I-bonds, inflation-protected bonds, or municipal bonds, which offer tax advantages and are safe bets for long-term stability. Bonus: bonds have predictable interest rates, so you know exactly how much you will earn over time. 4. Real estate crowdfunding: invest in property without the hassle. Real estate has long been a popular way to build wealth, but it can be expensive and complicated to get started. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mobile allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. You can invest in residential or commercial properties with as little as $500. Why it's safe: real estate crowdfunding spreads your risk by diversifying across multiple properties. Plus, the platforms typically have a strong track record of performance. Tip: start small to get comfortable with the platform and assess the types of properties you're investing in. Bonus: many of these platforms provide monthly income distributions, so you can start earning cash flow right away. 5. Robo-Advisors, automated low-risk investing. If you want to invest in a diversified portfolio but don't want to manage it yourself, Robo-Advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are a great option. These AI-driven platforms automatically build and manage a portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, making investing simple and low risk. Why it's safe: Robo-Advisors typically invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs, which helps spread the risk. They also automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep it in line with your goals. Tip: look for robo-advisors that offer low management fees and consider those that provide tax loss harvesting to help reduce your tax burden. Bonus: once set up, robo-advisors require little to no maintenance, making them perfect for beginners looking for hands-off investing. And that's it? Those are 5 safe passive income investments for beginners who want to build wealth without risking it all. Remember, the key is to start slow, make informed decisions, and stay consistent. Whether you choose high-yield savings accounts, dividend stocks, bonds, real estate crowdfunding, or robo-advisors, the most important thing is to make your money work for you, without the fear of losing it. Key takeaway: investing doesn't have to be scary. By sticking to safe, low-risk options, you can begin building a foundation for long-term financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more valuable tips about passive income and investing. Which of these safe passive income investments are you most interested in trying? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and here's to investing without fear.